Hello boys and girls, after installing the headers, exhaust system and LSD differential, I discovered that the diff is toast. Now I have to remove it and attempt to repair it. Listen to the sound it is producing. I began by removing the differential unit, and after that I removed the back cover. I discovered that the teeth of the crown and pinion are in great shape. Before disassembling it, I checked the runout of differential and decided to remove the bearings. Here is what I found. Десния лагер. Пиньон. Сега това дали е нормално, не знам. Така като го върта, ми върти на пресекулки. В смисъл не е гладко въртене, просто... Но това съм го пръскал вътре с обезмаслител и не знам. Бати чудото, човек. Това железо не мога повярвам, че излезна от тук. Често ти казвам. After that, I removed the differential carrier from the housing and started disassembling it. There are a lot of shims, plates, ceramic and metal discs inside. I arranged all of this carefully and measured the sizes. I think the differential failed due to lack of magnets inside the housing and prolonged factory oil replacement intervals. The LSD unit was made by Drexler, with ramp rates 50 and 90 degrees. It's clearly one-way LSD unit and it is using ZF188 friction discs and plates. I ordered new bearings and seals, cleaned all the parts and proceed with assembling process. I've learned that clutch type LSD unit internals have to be matched to about 1,000 of centimeter or inch to work properly. It's extremely tricky job to do. Abracadabra. After assembling the differential, I performed a gear contact pattern check and it looks perfect. I think this unit is custom fitted by AMG in a normal housing. The LSD is producing a lot of metal dirt from its actuation. Obviously, a lack of a magnet inside the differential housing and prolonged oil replacement intervals lead to premature bearing and LSD unit failure. I've made custom magnetic drain and filling plugs that I'm currently selling on eBay. And here you can see how much metal dirt magnets are holding just after 1,000 kilometers. Could you imagine what would happen with all the bearings after 30,000 kilometers without magnetic drain plugs? To properly test the LSD after the rebuild, I've done a short spiritual trip with other boys from the AMG Wolfpack with their fire breathing machines.